Hello friends, in our today topics we will discuss about the art of becoming rich. So first of all, you may think or have a question in your mind that anyone can become rich. Yeah, it is possible and it's true that anyone can become rich and have a luxurious life. In this video, I will share some concept of science of becoming rich. Science of becoming rich is same as the science of mathematics, science of physics, etc. But it is more easier than that of all those first come than that of all those. It is easier than the science of math, science of physics. So first coming to the point, anyone is not born with the richness. Every person are born with some extra quality in them which make them different from others. In this whole world, every person get same opportunities same opportunities for showing their talent, but for some problems or some difficulties or barriers they are not utilize their opportunities or get benefit from them. The person who become rich, they have some extra quality, or do you think they are same of others? In my point of view, I will say that they are all same but have different mindset of thinking. Yeah, it is important that how you think. Everything is depend upon your thinking capability. Richness does not depend upon from which place you are. What do you do? What is your talent? It's only depend upon how do you do. I can explain that. I can explain this point of it's only depend upon how do you do. For example, two-person doing the same job, but out of them any one become rich and one become poorer or fall in debt trap. It is due to the lack of ideas, lack of thought, or lack of proper management. You can see many people who are not more talented are becoming rich and have a low potentiality. They are also becoming rich because those mindsets is different from others. So from above we understood that there is no need of any extra talent because it is not any talent show or sports. Only you need is the potentiality for doing work and have a proper thinking capability. Next, I would like to come upon the topic or factor influencing the business is place or location. Do you think that the location or locality is important? From my point of view, it is not so important. I can explain it as follows. First, you can see that people from many other places are rich. If any person is becoming rich from your locality, then you can also become rich. So, if you think that it is important, then only in one locality or state, all people of those states are rich, and the state which is touching its boundary have poor people, and all of those states people are becoming poorest of the poor. The state next to it having people who touching the sky in becoming rich and earning a lot of money or making a bunch of money, but it cannot be seen anywhere like this if the place has its impact only for two reasons, and those are for having people contact who can buy or sell the product, and the raw material and the demand of product should be high. So for example you can take that you cannot run the business on the middle of the Sahara desert or north or south pole because there is no person to buy your goods or to listen to your advertisement. And next, instead of doing business of ice cream parlor in the Greenwich, you can do the same business on the hotter regions. So at last, I am concluding with that for becoming rich, you need only one thing, which is how to do. And when you realize or understand the concept how to make money, then obviously you will become rich. So have a good day. I will share some more of the ideas in my next video. So for that much time, thank you for watching the video.